go, Teddy.
Thanks.
I'm here.
You don't want any more?
No, I got one.
Is that all you want?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have some?
No.
Just one bite.
Okay. Here you go.
I can have just one bite?
Sure. No, just one. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
You're sweet.
That's how you am.
How do you get so cute?
I get from my mama.
You get it from your mama.
Yeah.
Where'd you get so smart?
I get from mom and daddy.
You get it from your daddy?
Yeah.
That's funny. What are you eating?
Cookie?
Cookie.
Yeah.
Is it a good cookie?
Yeah. What kind is it?
What kind is it?
Yeah.
I don't know. A good cookie, I guess. Is it ginger snaps? Are you going to read the package? Can you read? You can't read. What's it say?
It says chocolate.
It doesn't say chocolate.
It says chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate ice cream?
It says chocolate cookie.
Chocolate cookie, huh? I don't see anything on it.
Not saying anything.
Is it good?
Not saying anything.
I don't see anything either.
No. Okay, I'm here.
I think it's a gingerbread cookie.
Listen.
Can you say that?
Brown cookie.
Can you say gingerbread cookie?
Gingerbread cookie.
Say it again.
Gingerbread cookie.
You like gingerbread cookies?
Yeah.
Are they awesome?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Villa.
What?
Villa.
What video?
I see.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say I love you.
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Bye.